Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a before and after video. So this is the front of the house. We started working on it already. Gonna get a new paint job on the outside. So this is going towards the front door. Gonna put new floors in, new paint job. So that's the back door there. This is the kitchen. New kitchen gonna go here. Dining room over here, paint, new floors. This is the living room. This is the master bedroom. Master bedroom closet. Vanity over here. This is the shower. New shower. This is the hallway over here. This is the guest bathroom. New tile, new floor, new paint. This is the bedroom here. Another bedroom here. And then another bedroom here. 4 bedrooms. This is the garage. Okay, so this is the garage. This is all the demoing we did. So we're gonna put new paint over here. Paint the floor. Alright. And then this is the back porch. So we're gonna do a complete renovation, then I'm gonna show you how everything looks at the end. So stay tuned. Alright, so we just finished doing the sheetrock. I'll give you guys a little quick tour. Sheetrock, finish. This is the kitchen. This is the dining room. We're going into the bedrooms and this is the bathroom here. Finish sheetrocking it. 3 bedrooms over there. Yeah, so finish with the sheetrocking. Gonna start plastering now. You can see I have my plaster right here. So that's what I'm gonna be using. Alright, let's get started on that. Alright guys, welcome back. So now we finished the job. We finished the house completely. Everything, we got the garage. This is the front door area. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So you see the video how it looks before. Now I'm gonna give you the entire walkthrough of the house, how it looks after we finish remodeling it. Alright, so this is the garage, the front door. Front of the garage here, we paint the 2 shutters black. Over here we paint the garage floor. Right, these shutters over here are black also. Then we got some mulch over here, both sides. This is the front door now. Paint the front door black. This is the front door entrance. Going in, I got new flooring over here. So we're gonna go this side. This is the master bedroom. New flooring, new baseboard, new paint job. This is the master bedroom vanity over here. Got 2 new lights, new mirror, new white shaker cabinets. new granite. This is the master bedroom closet. And then we have the master bedroom bathroom. So we have here the little vanity, medicine cabinet light. We have the toilet and the shower. And we have 12 by 12 tile on the floor. Alright, so next place we're gonna go to the kitchen. Got some new blinds over here. And this is the outside, the backyard. Backyard over here, this is the porch outside. And then we have the kitchen here, completely new kitchen. White shaker cabinet, subway tile with black grout, and the island granite, and the island is also an accent piece. It's gray, different from the rest. And we got two hang lights over here, and we put on some of the ceiling lights also. So this is the kitchen. This is the dining room area. And then we're gonna go over here now. This is the hallway, and this is the garage. New paint job over here. Everything looks nice. Then this is the guest bathroom over here. New vanity, new mirrors, new toilet, new tub, new tile. Everything looks nice. And then we have the bedrooms. Got one bedroom here. Got another bedroom over here. And then we have the third bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom house. Alright. So that's the bedroom. So that's the before and after of this job. Another job complete. We did a complete remodel on it. Everything looks great. So now it's time to move on to the next job. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.